Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we would be discussing about reviewing Cred company. We are going to discuss about reviews, jobs, salaries, interview benefits and many more. Let's jump into our video guys. So friends, as soon as you open Google Chrome, just visit my website, which is google360.com. Just bookmark this website so you can access this page easily for searching for the jobs. And we have discussed in our previous video regarding this video security compliance intern and how to apply for this internship role and what would be the salary for this internship. Now in this video we would be reviewing the company. Then overall, let's talk about overall review here. There are like 62 reviews and the overall rating is 4.3, which is pretty good. And I also agree with you that this company doesn't have enough reviews to come to a conclusion, but it is branding in India, so that made me to take a look here. So 4.3 rating is pretty good. If any company is having more than 3.5 rating, so I recommend people to join in that company. And then let's open this 4.3 so we will get to know more. So overall 4.3, culture and values 4.5, diversity and inclusion 4, work-life balance 4.0, senior management 4.2, compensation and benefits 4.1, career opportunities 4.3. So if you consider everything here is above 4, which is pretty good. And also if we can review this company after 2 or 3 years, then we will get some precise idea on how exactly this company is. But here if you notice, there are only these two are less comparing to everything, diversity and inclusion and work-life balance. So I don't want to talk about diversity and inclusion, but coming to the work-life balance, for any startup or for most of the startups, work-life balance is a bit difficult because they are still establishing their things, right? So there would be deadlines and there would be a lot of stuff. So 88% of the employees are recommending their friends to join in this company. 88% of the people are approving Kunal Shah as a CEO. 95% this company has a positive business outlook, friends. So in this way you can review the companies. And then let's talk about the recent reviews so that we would be having some sort of idea on how exactly the company is. So this person rated 4, good base pay, stocks and all other facilities, no cons, great place to work, supportive teammates, worst company to be part of, nothing of pros, don't think of being the part of this company, worst work-life balance, work culture, really bad managers, they try to enter in your personal space. So this person is looks like this person is really frustrated, so I can't talk much on that part. And another person, food culture, perks, people, everything, slow paced in some teams is a con, great work culture and compensation. Great work culture, it is very good. It is one of the best companies I have ever worked for. Partiality, amazing, totally the best place. Management is very partial towards its employees from the higher management and the work pressure is too high. Since this is a startup, you would be getting a lot of issues. Advanced salary, lot of stripe, there is no limit of what you can achieve. You're open to take new initiatives. So most of the people are positive about this company, but couple of them are not positive. Let's talk about company review here, so we would be having some sort of idea. This started in 2018, Bangalore, India, industry would be fintech. Basically this company is used to pay the credit card bills. And then let's talk about the jobs here. So when we click on jobs, there are like 51 jobs showing here. Yeah, there are more than 51 jobs in the website, so I recommend you to search for this job using the website. To watch that, please watch my previous video so that you would be having some sort of idea on how to search for all jobs in the Cred rather than applying from the Glassdoor directly. So there are lots of jobs, friends, so you can take a look and apply. So this is the job we have discussed and it is posted today only. And the next thing is salary part. So coming to the salary, they are paying huge salaries. Let's say for SD it is 15 to 19 lakh, Android developer 3 lakh, quality manager 7 lakh, backend engineer 23 to 25 lakh, senior software engineer 34 lakh, and test lead software development engineering test 50 lakh. So this is great salary, right? So this is how the company is paying salaries to their employees. And for salaries for product team, this is general salary from highest to lowest. Like for product lead, it is the highest salary 62 to 67 lakh. For SDET, it is 50 to 54. Senior product manager 40 to 43. Manager 17 to 63. Brand solution manager 31. And the product analyst 21 lakh 31,000. This is really great salary. Computer help desk 21 to 22 lakh. Data analyst 13 lakh to 14 lakh. So really friends, this is pretty good salary, I would say. And for product and project management, the salaries are very aggressive, like product lead 63 to 68 lakh, product manager 31, product manager intern or trainee 5 lakh to 21 lakh. This is really cool, friends. Salaries are pretty high in this company. Android developer 3 lakh. So there are some sort of fake reviews as well, but yeah, it's a great company, I would say. I would strongly recommend people to join this company. Let's talk about the interview experiences here. The difficulty for this interview is like 3. So it is a bit difficult than Western Digital. So Western Digital, it was like 2.9. In Cred, the interview is a bit difficult. So getting an interview, so 51% of the people got interview by applying online. So I recommend you to take a look, interns or freshers. And for recruiter 23, employee referral 13, other 5%, campus recruitment 5, and in-person 3%. So most of their employees, they are hiring from applied online and recruiter rather than anything. So let's talk about interviews at Cred. 42% of the interviews are positive, 47 are negative, and 12% is neutral. So these people mainly concentrating on removing, eliminating rounds rather than considering rounds. So this is how you can, review a company. You can also go with all these things. So you would be, even sometimes you would be getting interview questions as well. So you can make use of this opportunity wisely to, to check this all questions before you give interview here. And let's talk about the benefits part. So there are only one review so far for healthcare and insurance. So we are not going to considering that. Culture, work from home, unlimited leave policy, decent benefits, okay like any another. Excellent employee benefits, great work culture and work environment. It's a premium company with premium benefits. No leave restrictions, monthly gifts, lunch, etc. Just to name few, absolutely. Best health insurance cover, free food, monthly wellness budget, free therapist access, surprise gifts, work from home. Company offers great benefits package to their employees. So friends, this company really have a good benefits. I strongly recommend you to join. And yeah, that's it, friends. In my upcoming video, I would be posting information related to jobs for freshers and interns. And then till then, keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channel for more future videos, and leave a comment on how you rate this video and if you need any assistance in reviewing a company. Thank you and have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.